In order to add your local bank account, just go to send, go to local, choose your currency, select the amount that you would like to transfer. Click here to choose the method of payment. Once everything is as you desire, go ahead and click continue. Who are you sending to? Add recipient. Myself. Go ahead and choose local bank account. Add your routing number. Your account number. Choose the account type. And once everything is accurate, go ahead and click continue. Confirm. Once everything is okay, you can go ahead and choose confirm and send that money to your local bank account. However, your bank might charge a fee of $30 depending on how much you are trying to cash out. The next step you need to do is go ahead and click confirm. Choose your method of payment and continue. I do not have an active balance, so I'm going to cancel transfer. But there you have it, guys. This is how you send money to your local bank account using Wise.